Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing how you can claim ZEO token finance into your trust wallet. We'll be giving about 150 worth of the ZEO token, which if you work your way through it, you can earn more than $360 like I've earned so far. So this ZEO token is much more like an NFT, as we all know what NFT entails and what it has meant for the crypto world. And I'm going to show you how you can just easily claim just 150 a piece of this token and keep. They're also conducting their pre-sale, which if you're interested, you can decide you can partake in it. But this tutorial is merely for just the airdrop, which, as you know, it's nothing but you paying gas fee. And also you are going to be getting a referral link, which after submitting your smart chain to them, you get the link for you to earn more BNB and more of the token to your trust wallet. So I'm going to show you these steps in this a very simple way, and I'm going to do that using my trust wallet. Those of you who are using iPhone, you can use your MetaMask, and it's the same thing. You just go to the browser or your MetaMask and you can actually do how I'm going to do right now. So let's go straight to trust wallet to see what we are talking about. So right now, the first thing we are going to do is to click on the dApps here, after which we'll input the URL, which I'm going to leave at the description below and also in my Telegram channel, and I'm going to pin it to the comment section. So we input the link, we'll paste it. As you can see, it's been pasted there. So right now we'll go straight and click done. So once it loads up, it's loading up. So right now the first thing we have to do is to change it from Ethereum to Smart Chain, which is the network. Change the network from Ethereum, we change it to Smart Chain. So right now this is what so far the pre-sale is moving, and the ad cap is actually 10,000 BNB, and so far they've achieved 2,500 BNB. So right now you can decide to buy the token here and claim the airdrop here, but I want to show you how you can also make some small money, and I'm going to show you how you can also buy their pre-sale. And like I've said, it's NFT, and the listing is very recent, and this is it. This is the listing price, 10 for $1. I actually got this, but after performing some of their tasks, I got more than even extra $150 more. So all you need to do is to input your BB20 wallet address here, which is your smart chain address. Then you click on get referral link, then you click on copy. Once you do that, you share this link your social media, your TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. And the more you get people to click, the more you make money, and it's very easy and simple. So it's not something you waste your time too much. This is no investment. This is how you make money very easy. So some of you may even make more than what I've made, because some of you will have a large sum of followers on the social media. You can do this and earn more money. So right now, this is how you partake and get the token. As you can see, they give you 30% of BNB and 100% of the token straight into your wallet. So right now I'm going to claim our 150 ZEO, which is worth about $150. And also I want to bring this to your notice. Once the token is listed, please make sure you swap it immediately before it's diminished or before it gets low. Though some get higher, but to be on the safer side, this is free airdrop, so you don't lose anything if you claim it on time. So now let's click on claim here, claim 150. So to ask us to connect the dApp to our wallet. Sorry. Click on claim. Then a smart contract call will show up. Click on connect. Then we'll pay the gas fee and approve. Into our wallet. So the next thing we are going to do now is to copy their contract address. Click on their contract address to copy. So I'll drop the contract address as description below and also in my Telegram channel, so you don't bother to even look for the contract address. But those of you who may be interested in getting their contract address from here, all you just have to do is to click on the top table here, the top right table, So it's back. So you click on smart contracts. Then as you can see, a lot of people are holding this token. A lot. You can see about 30 to 50 people are holding this token. So now click on this to copy the contract address. So go back. Then we click on wallet here. Then click on the top right button here. Then we input the token, the contract address rather. It doesn't come up. All we need to do is click on add custom token. Then we'll change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Then we'll click on paste. Yeah, that is it. Then we'll click on done. That is it. We have a 150 ZEO token into our wallet. It's as simple as that. So if you have any question, please do not forget to ask at the comment section. And also please keep your secret safe. Do not release to anyone, not even me. Also please, I'm not your financial advisor, but always do your own research on every token you are partaking so you won't be ignorant of what's going on in the crypto world. So thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.